They are called alphabets. Yes, alphabets. And if we talk about individual letter, then they are letters. They are not alphabets. I repeat, alphabets are when we take all the letters from A to Z together. Okay. Now let's study about vowels. Yes, it is vowels or vowels, not vowels. Vowels. Now let's study about vowels. What are vowels? Let's mark all the vowels in the alphabets. Yes. So what are vowels? Can you tell me? Yes. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. So let me mark all the vowels for you all. A, E, I, O and U are vowels. Okay. So how many vowels are there in alphabets? 5 vowels are there. A, E, I, O, U. So let me write all the vowels individually, so as to make it more clear. A, E, I, O and U are the vowels. Okay. So should we remove all the vowels from the alphabets? Okay. I am removing all the alphabets, all the vowels from the alphabets. So now what are these? What do they become? They are not alphabets anymore, because alphabets, when we take all letters from A to Z, now they become consonant. What are these? These become our consonant. So before understanding articles, it is very important to understand about consonants and vowels. So you all know what are vowels? Vowels are the letters A, E, I, O, U. And consonants, all the letters of the alphabets which are not vowels. Yes, which are not vowels become your consonant. If I remove all the vowels from the alphabets, they become consonant. So it is more important to learn vowels. Okay? Okay. So now I will tell you about articles. So our topic to be discussed today is articles. What are articles? All the words which are a and the are the articles. A is an article, an is the article, and the is the article. Yes, these articles are placed before the nouns or the describing words. Let us study the rules when to place a and an. So what are we going to learn? We are going to learn about a and an. What are the rules which we have to keep in mind before writing a, before placing a and an? The first rule says that a and an are written before the singular noun. We write a and an before singular nouns only. Okay? Yes. We use a or an before singular nouns. Now can you tell me what are singular nouns? Nouns you all know. Person, place, animal, things are your noun. And what is the meaning of singular? Singular means one. The singular means one. Plural means more than one. Plural can be 2, 3, 4 are all plural. Let's take an example. For example, let's take cow. Let's take cow. Cow is your singular noun. And if I say cows, this S is making it plural. This S is making it plural. So cow is singular noun and cows are plural. See children, a and denotes one. If I see a cow, it means one cow. Okay, so a and an are always written before singular nouns only. So now comes my second rule. We use a when the word begins with consonant sound. Yes, we are talking about a and here we are talking about a now. We use a when the word begins with consonant sounds. We all have discussed what are consonants. Consonants, the letters which are not vowels are your consonants like B, C, G. Now E becomes your vowel. A, E, I, O, U are your vowels. So E is your vowel, then F is a consonant, G is a consonant, and so on. Okay? For example, let's say a cow. The example which we have already discussed. A cow. Okay? Now let's take, for example, a cow. So here the article we are placing is a because the word cow begins with C and C is a consonant. Right children? C is a consonant. Let me take another example. Let's take beautiful palace. Which article am I going to place? A beautiful palace. Why? Now beautiful is a describing word. Beautiful is a describing word. If I write a beautiful swan. Yes. So now swan is one in number. It is a singular noun. Now beautiful. Now can you see the describing word? Beautiful. It is beginning with B. And B is again a consonant. So I will write a beautiful swan. Okay? So now comes my third rule of a and an. Now my third rule says we use an. We use an. Yes, I'm talking about an now. We use an when the word begins with vowel sounds. When the word begins with vowel sounds. Can you tell me example of vowels now? Yes, you all know all vowels. Now let's take some example. For example, umbrella. Yes, let's take an example. It is an umbrella. Why do we write an umbrella? Yes, we write an umbrella because I will see the word U. Now the word is umbrella. Now this umbrella word begins with U. It starts with U. And U is a vowel. U is a vowel. And we know if it begins with a vowel, then we place an umbrella. Right children? Then we place and then an umbrella. Let's take another example. Yes. For example, let's take another example. Ugly house. Ugly house. Let's take example. Ugly house. Ugly house. Now this is also okay. Ugly, since you have done this, I will write another. You all know is a vowel. So I write down old. Old house. Now O. What I'm going to see? I'm going to see the word old. Old is beginning with O. And we know O is also vowel. So what am I supposed to write here? I will write an old house. That means one old house, an old house, because old word begins with vowel. So I will write an old house. I hope this much is clear to you all. Now we will discuss about article the. Yes, we are going to study about the rules for the article. Yes, the article. Now when do we use the before a noun? When do we use the before a noun? My first rule for the says, the is used with unique or particular things. Okay? The is used with all particular and unique things. What are unique things? Unique things are those which are one of its kind, which are very special things, which are one of its kind. Let's take some examples like the earth. Earth is very unique, it is special, it is only one. Yes, so earth is a planet we all know. So what do we say? We say the earth. Yes, it is the earth. We can take examples of other planets also. The Mars, the Jupiter, the Saturn. Yes. For example, we use the sun because sun is also special. It is one of its kind. So we always say the sun. Yes, the sun, the moon, the rainbow. Yes, the sky. So the is clear. It is used with very unique and particular things. Now, second rule of the. The second rule of the says we use the with the names of holy books, rivers, famous buildings. We are talking about the. When do we use the? We use the with the names of holy books. You know what are holy books? Holy books are your religious books, children. Holy books as in Quran is the holy book of Muslims. Guru Granth Sahib is the holy book of Sikhs. Ramayana is the holy book of Hindus. Bible is the holy book of Christians. So you know we always place the before them. The Bible, the Ramayana, the Guru Granth Sahib, the Quran. Okay? Similarly for rivers. All the rivers, oceans you name, it starts with the. The Narmada, the Ganges, the Yamuna, the Mahanadi. For the famous buildings or monuments. Yes, all famous buildings or monuments we place the before. The Taj Mahal, the Char Minar, the Qutub Minar, the Red Fort. I hope this much is clear. Should I write the examples? Okay. The Red Fort, the Ganges, the Bible. So all before all holy books, rivers, famous important buildings, we place the. Now comes the third rule of the. Where do we use the? Okay, let me read. We use the with a noun that we have already spoken about once. Yes, let's take examples. For example, if we are using a sentence. For example, if I say, I saw a beggar. Now, what is a noun in this sentence? Beggar is a noun. Yes, which article did I use? A beggar. I saw a beggar. Now, if if I stretch the sentence, I use the word beggar again. If I say, I saw a beggar, full stop, the beggar asked me some money. The beggar asked me. So now I did not place a beggar asked. Now this beggar becomes particular. And with this, I used the. Let's take the example, children. Yes, if you see, I said, I saw a beggar. If I am referring to a noun for the first time, I am using a. Now, since same noun has been referred again in the sentence, the same noun, this is the noun which we are talking about, beggar. Beggar is a person, it is a noun. So, if we are referring to the same beggar again in the sentence, I have used the article the. Yes, if you are referring a noun for the first time, it is a, and then if it is referred again, it becomes the. Let's take the second example. I was reading a book. Now in this sentence, what is a noun? Book is a noun, it is a thing. Yes, so here the book is a noun because it is a thing, and book is being referred once. I used a. Now book is being referred again. Book is being referred again. So I see this book is being referred again. So now I did not use a. I used the. Yes, the book, because now the book has become particular. Particularly we are talking about this book. I was reading a book. The book was very good. Okay, so I hope this much is clear to you. You have cleared the concept of consonants and vowels. Yes, all A, E, I, O, U are vowels, and all the letters which are not vowels become consonant. Okay, so now comes, when do we use a and the are your articles. When do we use a and an? A and an are always used with singular noun. Correct. A and an are used with singular noun. A is used with the words that begin with consonant sound. An is used with the words that begins with vowel sounds. This is the rules for a and an. Now comes the. The is used with all particular and unique things. Okay. Second, the is used with the names of rivers, holy books, and important buildings. The is used with a noun that we have already spoken about once. I hope article is clear to you all.